Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to look at Vidpopup, which is an amazing tool you can use to help you close more deals on your website. As well as that, I'm going to show you a fantastic place where you can go to get this fantastic product at an amazing price for today. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the Vidpopup website, let's check out what this product is about and how it can help you with your online business. Well, when you're looking through a website or any website, you're often kind of lacking a bit of the personal approach. When you go into a shop, you get speaking with the owner of the shop, and sometimes that can convert into a sale. So what we can see, Vidpopup interact with your website visitors in real time and close more sales. So you can see down below there's a tab, and that's going to allow me to see the video that's interacting with the real person to show you the kind of content that you're going to be able to create. So let's just click on that.
Hi, we would like to personally welcome you to our website. I see you have been quite immersed in Vidpopup. How can we help you today?
And that allows you to put like a little bit of a personal note on the website. Makes it feel like they're interacting with a real person and has been proven to actually close more sales. You're able to do it whether it's just video, you're able to do text, you're able to do all sorts of different things. This will enable you to boost engagement with your website. You can use either yourself, or if you're not interested in doing that yourself, you can use an AI spokesperson who's going to be able to create that content for you. Customization with the pop-up widget, simply you can point and click to make your pop-up widgets match the brand. That's like different colors, etc. All sorts of things to make sure everything looks good. It's very easy to embed on your website, whether that be a new website or an already existing website. You just need to copy and paste a little bit of code and they'll show you exactly how to do that. And it can give you all these different examples of where people are using this content, whether it be for training videos, whether it be for customer support on different websites, whether it be testimonials and giving feedback from your already existing customers. It's a great way for you to engage with your website visitors, and the more you engage with them, the more you build that rapport, the more they're going to remember shopping there, the more they're going to continue to come back to your website, either allowing you to close more deals, sell more products, etc., which is all great stuff. Here's what you can use Vidpopup for. You can use it for lead generation, enabling you to give personalized pre-recorded messages for individuals who are visiting your website. You can increase the sales by showing your face, etc. is a great way to build rapport. You'll feel much happier buying from a person they can see, even if it's just a pre-recorded video, because they build much more trust. Even just by interacting with someone on a YouTube video and who's prepared to show their face, it really changes the game in terms of rapport building. It enables you to boost engagement with the people who are visiting your website and the content you're putting out there. You can show testimonials like I've just talked about. You can also give feedback from different people, and you can simplify hiring, enabling you to get more people on board if you're trying to grow your business, etc. Here you can see like a little video tutorial of how it all works. Literally, basically you create the video and then you literally just drag and drop everything into this to create it. Copy and paste the code into the back end of the website you're running, and then everything will be up, running and ready to go. Super straightforward, very easy to get started, and pretty much a no-brainer. If you want to increase the amount of engagement, the amount of leads, the amount of sales, whatever it is, there's a way that this can benefit your digital business. Even if you're making blogs, etc., having a person pop up and talk to you about the blog can be a great way to make that blog something that's personable, something where you can build some rapport with someone and they're more likely to engage longer with your content. Jumping down below, guys, you can see that there is a free trial available, but the rest of them start as monthly plans. So after that 7 days, you're going to go to at least $39 a month, which is pretty expensive, to be honest, and it can soon build up if you're already paying for other monthly services. So I'm going to show you guys, if you come over to AppSumo, which is linked down below in the description, then instead of paying $39 every month for this product, you can pay just $69 for a one-time purchase, which is absolutely amazing, because within 2 months at $39 you're already paying $80, whereas a one-off payment of $69. And you can see there's different tiers and things available, so you can see you can get all of this stuff tailored to your needs depending on the size, scale of your website, etc. There's loads of information here about how to use those tools and lots of other things, like we get reviews, various other content, and tutorials on how to set everything up, which is absolutely amazing. As well as that, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can see the massive savings here, $69 down from $468. And if you get the top tier purchase, you're looking at $279 down from 1,179, which is just a crazy saving. This won't be available forever, guys, so make sure you go and check it out down below in the description if you want to get hold of this product at an amazing discounted price. Go away and do that now, guys, because if you want this product, you're going to be kicking yourselves if you didn't sign up for it today. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about fantastic digital products, all at amazing, great prices, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.